Alright, what's up guys? I gotta work fast, but I want to try to do a tutorial on how to install valve guides. This is the head from my KTM 450SX. It's an 04. I got some bronze guides here. The head is, right now it's at like 230 degrees. Some areas a little like give and take. But I'm going to try to install these guides. Got myself a little tool my friend lathed up, and I'm gonna see if I can get this done. It was my first time, so we'll see how it goes. Guide number one, this is an exhaust. Hit it with a little WD and get my tool on, and let's see what happens. That one is in there. Alright, sorry about that. Tool got stuck. Let's move on to exhaust number two. Alright, number two is in. Now on to the intake side. Next one. And last but not least, got one more intake to go in. WD-40. This actually isn't as hard as people made it seem. All right. And voila, went together pretty smooth. I'm very thankful for my buddy, my neighbor, my friend. My buddy Joe behind me has a lathe, and he made this tool up for me to the exact size of the valve, which was amazing, because if you do not use the right side, you risk failure. I will tell you that from experience punching out the guides when you are not using the right size tool. It is hectic. But yeah, he made this up for me with his lathe, and I'm very grateful for that because I was able to get these guys in. Big shout out to Kevin Parker for telling me how to do this, because I was going to bring it to a shop. They were going to charge me around $100, and who knows, that could have went to $150 depending on how much time it actually took. But he told me to heat the head up to, I think it was like 180 degrees Celsius, which converts to like 356 Fahrenheit or something like that. And I should have kept it in the oven longer. If there's anything I would do the next time around, is definitely keep the head in the oven longer. Because if I would have kept this head in till it got to 350, they would have went in a lot easier. But it was still fairly easy. I'm using a very, very light hammer. This is literally a hyper tough Walmart hammer, and I was literally just tapping. Like, I wasn't wailing away at it. I was just tapping it. I wanted them to go in smooth as possible. I'm gonna check to see if I have to go over anything with the reamer. But yeah, I'm extremely hyped, anytime I get to get my hands dirty and do things myself, it is 100% the best feeling ever. Because, you know, a lot of guys out there ride bikes and, you know, they do little things, but who can actually say like they did all of their like machine work and stuff like that? That's when you're really living out your dream, if that's what you want to do. You know, for me, riding and working on bikes, it's 50-50. I enjoy the build as much as I like the ride. So yeah, big shout out to those who helped me. KTM RFS group on Facebook, Kevin Parker, Rob Hulka, I don't know if I'm saying it right, I think it's Hulka, and my buddy Joe for making this tool up for me. He's an excellent fabricator. He does all things metal, welding, fabricating custom mounts for cars. He's insane, literally insane. Like, the dude is extremely talented, and he just does it for a hobby. Like, you know, he loves what he does and he has fun doing what he does. So, as always, thanks again for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave that in the comment section. If you liked this video, enjoyed this video, found it informational at all, maybe think about clicking that subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing a ton of how-tos. I'm all about DIY, getting things done yourself, saving money, and being able to pretty much be self-sufficient in this whole bike game. I love building, I love riding, I love it all. I love everything that comes with it, the spills, the thrills. It's all amazing. You know, this is what I love to do. So like I said, if there's any pros out there that see that I did something that they wouldn't have done, or something you recommend, leave that in the comments section as well, because I'm always down to learn, always. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.